2019 unboxing and possible try on, because I'm not quite sure what's in the box. What's in the box? So I have already gotten taken the seal off of the box, because sometimes I have a hard time getting into the box. So if you don't know about BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month subscription box, and it usually comes with 5 to 6 full-size products, usually around 5. If they do 6, it's normally if they're doing like a deluxe sample or something like that, they'll add an extra. So it's a really good subscription box. And they also offer Boxy Luxe, which is a whole bunch of more. So it's an extra $28 a month, which I do not get that. But if you like to purchase BoxyCharm, if you don't have it, if you want to give it a try, there is a link down at the bottom. That is my link to a referral link for BoxyCharm, and I'd appreciate it if you go and click on that if you want to give it a try. I believe we both get a free gift. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that with Allure, some of the other boxes, you also get a free gift. So I would appreciate that. If not, that's fine too, but I'm going to show you guys what's in this box for October of 2018. So I'm going to open the box, and every time we open the box, we have a pamphlet, and the pamphlet looks like this. And this, we have a basically like a theme for the month, and this month's theme is Alter Ego, which is pretty cool. I like the design on that. That's awesome, actually. And then I always like showing the people, because the people are so cool. I want to hang out with these people. These people are cool looking. I just want to hang out with them. Okay, and then you open it, and it tells you the retail price and everything for each item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in through each item, and I will tell you guys what the retail price is. I will show it to you, and I will swatch it if it's swatchable. And I will kind of show you guys how that works. So the first thing I see when I open my box is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Oh Lord, let me hope this is in a good color. This is in the color Lolita. Yay! Okay, so this is in the color Lolita, and this is one of the Kat Von D Everlasting lipsticks. This is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. And the reason I said yay is because I have, let's see, is this it? I have Lolita in the lip liner. So yay! And now I have the matching pair. So let's try this on, shall we? I want to read about the Kat Von D lipstick first. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight lipstick that stays on all day long. It does. It really does. I have it in bow and arrow. The highly pigmented, vegan, cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisture, comfort that they deserve. This retails for $20, so it's a $20 lipstick. So I am going to right now try on the liner that I have, which is also in the Lolita, and we are going to see. This liner goes with so many other things as well. I love to use it with some of my Gerard lippies as well. But I really love it with the Kat Von D stuff. So we're going to try on the lippy now. This is the one that we got, or that I got. Beautiful. That's a beautiful color. I love it. Do you guys like it? I think it looks great. I love it for fall, and I love it with the eye color, eye makeup that I have on today. So that's a really good product. So it's a $20 lipstick, so that's awesome. Let's see what else is in here. So the next thing I see is, this is Green Clean. Oh, this is by Pharmacy. So this is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for BoxyCharm. This is 50 mLs, 1.7 fluid ounces. So this is Green Clean Makeup Removing Balm, and it says Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean. It's a cult beauty favorite makeup cleansing balm that melts away the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrating and smooth. So that's pretty good. Let's open it up and smell it. Oh, it has a cover on it, which I love. I don't drop it in the sink. It's got like a green look to it. I'm gonna dig into it here. Oh, it's very smooth. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is what the texture is. And it's not rough. It's not like you have to add water to it. I cannot stand a balm that you have to add water to make it activate. Like, I love the Clinique one, but I don't like that you have to add water to it. I really don't, even though I still use it. But my favorite balm right now is the Allure Cosmetics balm because it's just amazing. It smells so good. But yeah, this is a good product. I'm happy to have this. It's amazing. I love a great balm. So this retails for $22. So that's a pretty good balm. And Pharmacy makes great products. So, all right, let's see. The next thing in here is the Superhero It Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This is it right here. It's a full size, obviously. All these are full size products, I'm assuming. This is what it looks like on the inside. Now, I have had some like minis of these, and I wasn't fond of them because they were either dried out or something like that, but I would like to try this on. But let me read to you guys what it says. This retails for $24. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The Elastic Stretch technology and the ultra black tint makes for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. I already have on some mascara today, but I do want to kind of fling this across my lashes just to see. Ooh, I love the brush. I love a brush that's pointed at the end. That's because it can get real deep down into the corner. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'll have to try that on its own. That's nice. Now I have to do the other side because I'm just that extra. Oh, very nice. Okay. I like that. That's awesome. Okay. So like I said, that retails for $24. So the next thing I see in here is, this is something strange. This is a Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. It's an intense exfoliating face mask with a compression lace support. I've never heard of this before. I'm just reading it. Alright, so this is Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers a spa-like extraction results. This is weird. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. This retails for $30, y'all. $30 for this mask. Oh my goodness. This mask better like make me look like 20 years younger for $30. I don't think I'd ever pay $30 for a face mask. That's crazy. Interesting. And like I said, it retails for $30. So, wow. Okay, so the last product in here, this is a palette. And this is from Pure. This is a Pure Face palette. Let's see. It's a 10-piece face palette. It's the Pure the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. This 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look that you'll totally adore. I can't read today. Making a bold statement that has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and all eye colors. Okay, well, let's open this up. This is what the box looks like. Very pretty. I love this design. That's very pretty. And then you pull it out. Peel. Okay, There we go. Hello. All right, so this is what the outside looks like. And then on the back, it just gives the name of the palette. This is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, recyclable. That's pretty cool. Cool. Okay, so the palette opens like this. And let me go ahead and peel. I'm going to peel these back because this is definitely a palette I'm interested in. I am looking at these colors and I'm like, what? What? These are pretty. So this is what the palette looks like, you guys. It's very pretty. I am happy with this palette. I like this palette. Let's do some swatching. It looks like it has a highlighter here, a bronzer here, and then 2 blushes maybe. I'm sure you can use these for your eyes as well. And then we have 6 shadows, which it looks like this is the only matte in the bunch. But oh my gosh, look at this color. That's like a teal blue. And this looks like a baby blue, and then like an olive color here, a purple, and what is that, like a charcoal, maybe a charcoal gray? I don't know, but let's put some of this on our face. So I'm gonna grab my highlighting tool here, the all trusty sponge, and I'm gonna go into this highlight here. This is called Twilight. Ooh. Oh, it's got a smell to it. Oh, it's got that vanilla smell to it that some of the other makeup companies are using right now. Oh man, I love it. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful highlight. I like it. That is very pretty. It's a very pretty color. It's like a champagne color. That is very, very pretty. Y'all can see I already had kind of some highlight on, but it's okay. I'm just going over it. That's very pretty. And then the bronzer. Let's pull out a bronzer brush here. And let's do a little bit of bronzing. This is called Enchantment. It's this one. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh, that's got a very nice shimmer to it. I don't have a lot of shimmery bronzers, so I'm kind of happy about this. Very pretty. I won't be able to try on the eyeshadows, but the blush and the bronzer and the highlight for sure. Alright, let's go into these blushes. Oh my goodness. I want to try the dark one. I don't know what. It's just bringing me to this. I want it on my face. Oh man. That's beautiful. I know it looks really harsh on camera. That's pretty though. Oh my goodness, I love that. It's very pigmented. Wow. I'm happy with this. I love it. Let me calm myself down here for a minute. Okay, so I want to swatch the colors for you guys. I'm going to just swatch them all in my hand, and then I will show you guys at the end what colors they are. So we have Exposed, which is the baby blue. Ooh, it's actually like a silver. Okay, and then we have Sneak Peek, which is the matte brown. And I was thinking to myself while I was looking at this doesn't really have transition in it, a transition color. But now that I'm looking at this brown, it's buildable, because when I swiped it across my hand the first time, it wasn't really, really dark at all. So that's good. Then we have the Showtime. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, I think I found my favorite new blue shimmer. Then we have the Mask Off, and this is like an olive color. Oh, that's beautiful too. Those colors together. Oh my goodness. And then we have Disguise, which is like a purpley plum, or maroon maybe, I don't know. Oh, that's pretty. I bet you can build that color up too. Oh, that's beautiful. And then last but not least, we have the 12 a.m. color, which is a charcoal color, I think. That's what it looks like. And let's just swatch that across here. Ooh, that is a charcoal, but it has a little bit of a blue tint to it. So let me show you the swatches. These are beautiful colors. Okay, so this is the exposed, this is the sneak peek, this is showtime, this is mask off. Look at those two together, or all three of these together. This is disguise, and this is the 12 a.m. color. So, wow, what a beautiful range of shimmers. Oh my goodness. I love this palette. I'm in love with this palette. I don't know what it is, like, I've got a thing for the BoxyCharm palettes, y'all. I really do. I've got a thing for the BoxyCharm palettes. I think I'm just loving the BoxyCharm palettes. I love that we get palettes in BoxyCharm. We always get a palette in BoxyCharm. And I won't say always, because I did get that Tarte spray, which I wasn't happy about, but it's okay. But so far, this box is absolutely amazing. The last thing I want to do is I want to use this balm to try to wipe these swatches off. So why not try it, right? So I'm going to take a little bit of the balm here. Oh, the palette, the retail price on the palette is $38. So it's pretty amazing. All right, so I'm going to take this balm and I'm just going to kind of swipe over these swatches. Wow. Well, I think it did the job. Look. Let's wipe it off now. Wow, okay, cool. See if I can get on my fingers too. That's amazing. I love the balm. The balm's awesome too. The balm is the bomb. Anyway, so yeah, so this is BoxyCharm, October 2018, and all in all, I am really happy with this box. The only thing, my least favorite product in this box is this charcoal lace appeal mask. I'm just not a huge mask person in general when it comes to charcoal mask, because I do have dry skin, and sometimes you guys, if you guys have dry skin, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes it can really jack your skin up sometimes. But on the back, we have a 10% off your next purchase, excuse me, with It Cosmetics. And I will flash this for you guys, and you can see it. And like I said, it's for 10% off your next purchase. I'm just trying to see if there's any restrictions. $30 or more by November 15th. Okay, so this is the code. Snapshot, screenshot. So it looks like it says just for you, BOXY, Boxy. So yeah, so you get a little, if you want to order from itcosmetics.com, or I'm sure it's probably for itcosmetics.com, you guys can order, get 10% off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. 4 out of 5 as far as stars go. I'm definitely giving it a 4. I'm not real happy with the mask product, but everything else I love. So 4 out of 5 products is amazing. And the retail on this box is, oh, I got variation number 1, by the way. Sometimes it does come in different variations. A lot. It comes in different variations as far as like certain products or certain colors. But I got variation number 1, and in total, this is $134 worth of products. So, and they are full size. So it's true $134 worth of product for $21. So can't beat that. So if you guys are interested in it, just click the link down below if you want to. You know, or go to your favorite YouTuber and click their link. However you want to do it, it'll be fine. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Let me know if you like the products that we got. Let me know how you feel about that palette. I'm very interested to see how people feel about that palette, because I seem to be like the one who loves like all the BoxyCharm palettes when other people don't. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I want to argue with you, and you guys, I love you so much, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you on my next one. I'll see you next time. Bye!